Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you sitting comfortably? Yes? Good, because Ducky and Mickey and me, Susanna, are sitting comfortably. And together, we welcome you to Moreton Bay Library's Baby Rhyme Time. Yay! All right. Now, mums, your babies and toddlers cannot sing yet, so you'll be the one singing with me. Yes? Now for your toddlers, let them sit next to you, in front or the side. And your little one, your babies, you can hold like this, like that, or just how you want it. Okay? And you can also lay them down on the mat like this, facing towards you, and have an eye contact. Okay? Now, remember that it's never too late to sing songs, play, and talk to your child. And sharing baby rhyme time, sharing songs, and taking time to sing and play with your little one is very important, and the more that you establish that bond with your little one every day. And remember also to at least spend 10 minutes of your time every day, whether you are cleaning or changing nappies, washing dishes, to sing a little bit to your little one. Okay? All right, now before anything else, we're going to do acknowledgement of country. And here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. And we respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, and we are on Gubby Gubby and on Dumby People Ground. Yes? Okay, good one. All right. Now, let's see. Let's start with something different. Who is watching here or who is with us around? How about we'll pick a name. Let's say Ruben, and let's do a welcome song. And Ruben's here today, Ruben's here today. Let's clap our hands, 'cause Ruben's here today. One more name, who is here today? How about Julie? Julie's here today, Julie's here today. Let's clap our hands, 'cause Ruby's here today. Now moms, you insert the name of your toddler, your baby, so that they will feel really special. Okay, and a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, and a great big hug to say hello. All right, now, do you have ducks around the house, or have you seen the duck cross the road? Okay, let's count them. Okay, 1 duck, 2 ducks, 3 duckling, 4 duckling. Ooh, this is tricky. And 5 ducks. Okay, you must be familiar with the song 5 Little Ducks, and here is Mommy Duck, right? Okay. Oopsie. Okay, let's do again. Make sure you stay. Hey, duckling. All right. And 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Okay, can we make it a teeny weeny faster? Let's have fun a little bit. Okay, and 2 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Oh dear, Mommy. So, Mother duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. All right. That's a bit difficult to put all the duckling in one hand, hey? Okay, all right. Thank you. Is that fun? All right. Okay, I'll put mother ducklings there and mother duck. Okay. Right. Let's go open, shut them. All right. And open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Crip them, crip them, crip them, crip them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not pop them in. And shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah. Is that good? Yay! All right. Okay, now I think Nana is thirsty. And so we're going to boil a kettle for Nana. Yes? Okay, heard about I'm a little teapot? Okay, let's go. And I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steam up, hear me shout. Tip me over, pull me out. Yes, Nana is happy now. She's gonna have coffee now for her morning tea or anything. Yes? Okay. Oh, time for Daddy's turn this time. Okay, Daddy Johnny. Okay, working around the shed. Let's go. And Johnny works with 1 hammer, 1 hammer, 1 hammer. Johnny works with 1 hammer, then he works with 2. Johnny works with 2 hammer, 2 hammer, 2 hammer. Johnny works with 2 hammer, then he works with 3. Johnny works with 3 hammer, 3 hammer, 3 hammer. Johnny works with 3 hammer, then he works with 4. Okay, 4. And Johnny works with 4 hammer, 4 hammer, 4 hammer. Johnny works with 4 hammer, then he works with 5. Where is the 5th one? Last one. Let's do our head, okay? And Johnny works with 5 hammer, 5 hammer, 5 hammer. Johnny works with 5 hammer, then he went to sleep. Me. Oh, he's tired. Okay. Give yourself a big clap. Okay. All right. Well, that was hard work. So we're going to cool down now. Yes? Okay. The water will feel us cool, and so let's sing about the sea. Okay? Ready? And Here is the sea, the wavy sea. Here is the boat, and here is me. All the fishes way down below wiggle their tails, and away they go. Yes? Okay, good, good. Whew. Okay, I'm afraid it's time to say our goodbye song. I hope you're having fun. Okay, let's do our tickle. And Vicky, where are you? Okay, here we go. And a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, and a great big hug. Oh, hug, hug, last hug to say goodbye. And goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you another day. Yay! Thank you, everyone.